late. We have to go to work. Then. Everybody cannot wait for me. Nobody will work. I'll make an alarm to get to work. It is time for work to terminate. My brother PV40 is coming with me. He is behind me, but I see him. I should go to work now. ATR-72? Whoa, hey! I will report the police. You think I just report the police? Hey, my brother, PV40. What happened? I got punched. What? By ATR-72. What? The air traffic. The double line. Why? How? Okay, I'm gonna report the police. But he's not our ward here. He's a thief. He wants to kill me. I got killed. What? By ATR-72. He's not our working here. He's a thief. But the ATR-72 still standing. He is checking me because he's our work. What? Yeah. So what should we do? What should we do at XMNTOL? I don't know. I am. My health is 1 left. The 0 will be so. I'm gonna die. What? Then, if it was goodbye, I'm dead. No! Why do you die? Yes? Is something happened? He's dying. He's at 0. Let me check him. I have the phone. Let me check. I will be at the hospital already. No! 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 He left! He's dead, he's gone! He is gone for sure now. I call the other. I call the Airbus A400. Each Airbus. Each the M or C or S called because the X340 on our my dad. I think F400S. Wait, he destroyed the... What the... Well, why he destroyed? Oh no, he's died too. Maybe MC130. I'll call him. Jay. Got it. Hey, MC130. Yes, we all... Tell him that... What the? I am coming. I have to come. Okay, come. Because of ATR-72 he's not dead. He's not dead. He's running. He's running. He's what? He wants to steal something in your water. He wants to steal anything. No, he's not. I saw him. He's running because you see you are calling the police. The police are the ATR-42 and ATR-42 air gas my voice. Wait, whoops. You have to return to India. You have to return to California. He's a purple bird and the 42 is bluebird. ATR. I showed you. I have to go PS26. No, okay, yeah, our X340 is done. We have to go. But I taking off without one leg. Hey, ATR-32, what are you doing? ATR-32, how are you work? Why are you still standing there? But he's a ghost. It was not familiar. It wasn't familiar. There was too much ATR-32, but not familiar. I know. Wait. I see that ghost sound. Like the sound like X340. He's a ghost. Hey, MZ130. Why are you taking so long? about the runway? You're taking off? Huh?
Yes.
You're going fast. Where's the seatplane? Where is he's too slow because he's a seatplane. He's a seatplane, he's a slow. He's too slow because he's a seatplane. Maybe last straight if he's faster. Huh? I don't even think if he's gonna be faster than him. He'll be gonna be faster than the seatplane. NTR 22. I am coming to you. You're taking so long. We were still standing here. Because of the 40 is here. You can't take off. Yes, I can. Where did XC40 goes behind me? Yes, I see her. I just see the wind here, yeah. If I stand on his feet, I'll be there too. If I stand on his knees, but that I also, the A400S also die. What the? Also the Airbus A400S. The other yeah. Wait. No. I should. The best of it's landing soon. what the? Who told you I crashed the game? Whoa. What? I crashed the game. I crashed the game. Coming. Dove si carica F to wing? Well, I see the other plane landing there. No. Is he a thief or he's going to work? Who is he? No, he's an innocent person. He's just an innocent. He has a trophy in his hands. Hey, can I help you? Yeah. I don't call the police. Just, I know the police. I know who's the police. I'm calling this. Police is calling this. Okay. Hey, police. Yes. What's your emergency? What? Kidnapping? Okay, I will. I will say over. Help, please! The emergency, follow me! Huh? Let's go! Emergency! Emergency! Okay, everybody will have to go! Everybody will have to go, all police! And the innocents! Huh? Guys, we can just immediate. He's not a police. Just immediate. No, I will just get there. If we need to go, you will go first. Wait, what the? Exit 130. Exit 130. Please go. Emergency. But my autopilot is not working there. No, you're going there. Everybody, let's go. Let's go. Go. Okay. You're kidding me. What else is the king here? What is the impressive mode in tennis? You ready, Airbus A400C? You ready? Yes. Go, go, go. And the XR42, let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. And come the XR42. Okay, come on. XR130, 130. And the 20 I know, I know. At the terminal 20. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, go. Okay. Everybody make alarm. Alarm for the police. No. At the 20. It's a 52. No, it's a 4. Okay. Everybody go, quick, land and arrest them. We have to catch them. Yes. The double airlines and hit him. Wow. Come on. Go. Hey. Your turn. It's you want to take your turn. Your turn. Let's go out. Your turn. Here's واحد ازاي not it was your turn. Okay, come on. I did all the alarm. Hey! Let's go. Let me go there. It's 130. Aircraft. There's no other aircraft in the beach. Let's just go now. Yes. Air Force. Wait, is this Double Airlines? Hey, watch out! Hey, Double Airlines! Hey! Let me brake. Brake. Hey, oh, I'm here! Everybody, I'm here! The police! No, brakes. Hey, Oops. Are you? You wanna ask this? You wanna touch this? I told you to brake. I wanna get down. 31, man. I'm here. Well, I know that E42 is got damage. Why? Because his bridge not working there. Oh shit. Hey! Get back! You're fired there. No, someone is hacking me. I saw them. They're hacking me. The Double Airlines. No. How dare Double Airlines? No, we're lost. The Double Airlines are defeating. No. No, shut up. Hey, stop backing! No! Hey, help me! Help! Come on, shut up! No! Stop! No! They are bad guys for Double Airlines. What? Hey! You want us wrong there. You want us leave. No, I see what is here. Wait. Hey! Hey, Double Airlines, stop! You are trying to kill us. Because Double Airlines are trying to kill us. They're hacking all the police. They are not let them arrest. They let them die. Because they want to kill up insurance. No, not that. Hey, stop! For H130. What the? City. I got land. Which one do the hacker? Don't he's the hacker. No, you are stalling. No. Hey. How dare you tell us to do? No. We lost. Go to him. I see him. I will hit him. I'm hitting him. Push him. What happened? No, we lost. What will be? Wait, they're all dead. Okay, goodbye. Okay, goodbye. I'm going to get the water. Okay, goodbye. I'm crashing goodbye. I will die like it's super. Nothing me. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye. And thank you for watching my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe on Double 45 of XV40 or dead. And the TWA 4800. What? Boeing 747. Bye.